James, have you had a chance to look over Mr. Harrison's chart from yesterday?
Yes, Dr. Mihira. I reviewed the notes and the latest labs this morning. His inflammatory markers are still elevated, though perhaps not quite as dramatically as the initial presentation suggested.
Right. And the imaging? What did the repeat scan show regarding that area of concern we discussed?
The radiologist's report is in. It confirms the previous finding in the lower quadrant, but they've added a note about the adjacent structures. It appears that what we initially thought was simple edema is now described with slightly more specific terminology, indicating a degree of involvement we hadn't fully appreciated from the first images. It's subtle, but they've highlighted it.
I see. So, the extent is perhaps a little broader than anticipated?
Exactly. It makes sense of why he's still reporting that persistent, low-grade discomfort despite the initial course of antibiotics. We were targeting the primary issue, but this secondary involvement explains the ongoing symptoms.
Understood. Let's ensure the plan reflects this. We'll need to broaden our approach slightly.
Good. And keep a close eye on his temperature trends today. Mihira, I understand that dealing with a fever can be a very uncomfortable and worrying experience, and I want to offer you some gentle, supportive guidance on how to manage it safely at home. The most important goal is to help your body rest and recover. To manage the discomfort and the fever itself, you can take paracetamol according to the instructions on the package, as this will help to lower your temperature and ease any aches. It can also be very soothing to apply a warm compress, like a soft cloth soaked in warm water and gently wrung out, over your ear for comfort. Remember, your body is working hard to fight off an infection, so it needs plenty of fuel and rest. Please make a conscious effort to drink lots of fluids like water, clear broths, or herbal tea, as a fever can easily lead to dehydration. Alongside this, granting yourself permission to rest completely is not a luxury, but a crucial part of your healing process. At the same time, Mihira, it's vital to be aware of a few common practices that can unintentionally cause more harm. No matter how much your ear may itch or feel blocked, please never insert any objects like cotton buds, fingers, or any other items into your ear canal, as this can push wax deeper, irritate the sensitive skin, or even risk perforating your eardrum. Similarly, while it might be tempting to use over-the-counter ear drops for quick relief, it is essential to avoid them until your own GP has had a chance to examine you and approve their use, as the wrong type of drops can be ineffective or even worse in certain conditions. Your well-being is the priority, and this careful approach will support your body's natural ability to heal while keeping you safe.